What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. Welcome to the first look of the year. I'm here with Nishan right there and in voice as
Hello.
well. And I have yet to look at these TCs. I've only really seen them in pictures and whatnot. These are used for Quantum ISD, so of course these are going to be private unless you're in the company. 9749 over on the left and 9950 on the right. So yeah. Basically, I've already kind of looked at them. I'll just do a quick walk around for y'all. But mainly, it's just we were both bored and we're gonna drive somewhere. So, yeah. Comments.
Not really. I was just letting you do your thing.
I know. And apparently, that steering wheel right there is not upside down for Nishan. It's just apparently for me. So maybe that has to do with pre-selecting. One of the differences is the dash between the two. So this is the 97 dash, and over here we got the 99 dash because they were slightly different, just tiny bit different. Okay, so anyways, besides the dash and just a few minor differences that are just, what the heck?
That was just petty.
I know.
Oh, you don't know.
Yeah,
you don't know it
he
right
can't
there.
see us. He can't see us. Only the admins have them right now. So, but yeah, besides the few minor differences on the exterior, just because of the different years, 9950 is all LED, as you can see as well. But okay, we're just stopping. Screw this. Let's go, because I want to drive this. Yeah, I don't know. All right.
I think I might have scraped your mirror just a little.
That's okay. I wasn't looking. Whoa, these are a little fast. Are these final products too, do you know?
I think they said they have a few minor things to do and then they'll be done.
Crap, because normally Jason only wants me doing videos of finalized stuff.
It'll be okay. I don't think there's no you know, modding. I think it's mainly engine type stuff,
Yeah, I know.
stuff like that.
Oh, I see. I like how these handle too. I'm not gonna say
Oh, sure.
I'm
You didn't see
sorry.
that.
No, I didn't see it. Let's see, do we got working flares on the inside? Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, but these brakes are. Well, they're pretty good.
I'm not sure how I feel about strobing LEDs on this.
Mine are just incandescent.
Yeah, like before the video started, we were talking about the LEDs and incandescents, and Sean did bring up a point that I generally agree with, is that older buses are much better with incandescents than they are with LEDs. But few exceptions to that, and I think LED turn signals and brake lights are acceptable on some more recent older buses, if you will.
So like the O3s, for example.
O3s are fine. I think anything in the 2000s is okay. I know that there's hardly any, 90s buses in service at this point, but maybe 97 and newer.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no little TC logo on the thing. Do you have a TC logo on your dash?
On the dash?
Or somewhere up there?
No, I don't see one.
Oh, I think he told me that it was just... I don't know, I think he told me something about it, come to think of it, but...
We're gonna love these doors, I'm gonna tell you. If they're the same as on mine, I think they are.
I love the doors, okay. I love the brake sound, too. That air brake. Alright, let's...
Okay, he's gonna have to move. He can't even see me, but he still stopped for
Is
me.
it the... So why did I like those doors again?
Do yours fly out like mine? Like,
I mean, they went fast and then they came slowly in.
cause that's how
Oh
Bluebird
Jesus!
doors
Oh good
are.
lord!
You do.
Remember that day
How did you
that I
do that?
moved down in 1036 or 37 and I hit that little pole right there? That's definitely a glitch. If you hit it right, it'll flip you over. So
Alrighty.
yeah.
We can do a little field trip, I guess.
Okay. First look / field trip. Yeah, I really like these. Alright, let's take a look at everything else while we're loading kiddos up. Okay. You know, I never really got the point of, like, the little two turn signal type deals next to the headlights on TCs. They were
Yeah.
just kind of there for looks.
It would look weird if they weren't there, though, to be honest.
Yeah, kind of like on the older ones. They just kind of fit in real good there. Let's open up the... Can you open up your crossing gate real quick?
Or
Thank
I'm gonna do
you.
the doors too, because I don't know if your doors are like how mine are.
Yeah, let me look at the doors. I don't think mine were like that. They
Yeah,
definitely
mine.
weren't that fast to go in. Mine were a lot slower to go in than that.
Do the lights. Yeah, we can do
I
it. You can check my lights.
I
How
can't
about that?
see the lights.
Oh, I forgot about that. That's
Yeah,
cool.
no big deal. I see your turn signal. Wire crossing line as y'all can, or crossing gate as y'all can see right there. Pretty sure that's one of the first ones in game, so that's cool. Alright, let's check out my door and see how it was.
Hold on, let me walk back there real quick.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, so door open.
Yeah, yours are definitely different than mine are.
Okay, we'll check out how slow these go in now. See how slow those
That's too
are?
slow for me. That's too
Yeah,
slow
that's
for
a
me.
little too slow. Like, the Bluebirds are definitely like that, no doubt. But still, that is crazy slow. Oh, I'm not on. Let's see. Here we go. And then I always thought the position of the turn signal on the side was a little bit weird, but whatever. Who am I to complain? Okay, yeah, shall we go now?
I guess so.
Ooh, strobe light on the top. FPS, decent FPS in here as well. So where are you taking us to, Najan?
I guess the stadium. You know, we can test the bus out on that bridge.
Yeah, that's a fantastic idea right there. Stadium we go. You know, I've gotten so used to driving the Type C's that I forget that you have to turn after you.
Yeah.
Are you lagging or is it me?
I'm not
Okay, because you're lagging on my end, so
like jumping wagon.
yeah.
I was wondering why you were so far back.
Well, I guess it's me then. Huh.
I just froze.
Okay. I thought that was another lag right there.
I wonder what they. Somebody must have spawned something. Oh, okay. That surprised me.
Yeah.
Am I still lagging?
No, you're. Yeah, no, yeah, yeah, you are.
I just went around the curve.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
Alright, true test right here. See how it handles.
Scraping a little bit.
Yeah. Definitely don't want to send him on this bridge for sure.
Yeah. It handles better than the Type C's did going down that.
Yeah, it did pretty well. Wasn't terrible. Certainly hit him a lot of stuff, but...
Overturn that just a little bit.
Who, me?
No, me.
Oh, I was gonna say. No, I just realized that there's no, like, little set of keys or ignition in here either. I don't really like the braking on this bus. Doesn't seem to come in fast enough. Alright, well, I guess they're going in and we're gonna leave them. We ain't driving them back. They can walk home. I do like how fast these start up as well. Oh, and didn't you say something about roof hatches in here? No, Sean.
Sorry.
Okay.
Hold on. That's the emergency door. What the heck? Oh.
Okay, we got it working in the door.
Control.
Oh,
I don't even know.
okay, F10. That means F12 should... Oh, now that is cool. That is really cool. Check this out, guys. Let me try and free cam over there so you can see better. Alright, so we got F10 to open the front, F9 to close it, F12 to open the back, F11 to close it, and then F10 and F12 open the full roof hatch. Oh, that's so cool. Really like that. Alright, everyone else, start implementing that. That is now a standard for me. We're gonna drive with it open.
Get some air.
Yeah, need some air in here.
Gonna test these to the neighborhood and see.
That's probably a really good idea.
I mean, it seems like they do alright over the speed bumps. But it seems like they don't hit it. It's easier to turn too, and not hit the curb.
Yeah, for sure. Because you actually know that it's coming and you can't guess. You have to guesstimate it in the type C's. I guess it's the easiest way to put it.
This air brake sound is nice.
I do love the air brake sound in here.
Okay, the hard part is not hitting the speed limit sign.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my gosh,
That's
it scared the
hard
crap out of me.
part. Thinking they were already leaked.
Okay, bus don't. Okay, that happens too much. Hate when that happens. The gas pedal got stuck and the
Oh,
not
yeah.
stuck, but you know, like a glitch, and then
Uh-huh. Where did you go?
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh, I see you over there. I see you. You know what? I wonder how it handles these turns up in here.
Go turn.
Up in this little triangle deal neighborhood.
Oh, okay.
Try that out. Well, no curbs were hit, so I'd say that's pretty well, considering I almost hit the curb every time.
Oh, that's good.
I know.
Nice.
Again, you can actually see it instead of having to guesstimate it, so I don't really know how else to explain it unless you've driven before.
No, look, we're gonna go back to the Type C's and be like, be
I hate
everywhere.
those, yeah. We're gonna implement some EFXs next semester, or
uh,
well, what do you want to implement then? What type
I would
game?
rather either Equi or Ari.
Okay, I can do with like an '09 Ari, or not Ari, FE. Those are my favorite ICFEs. The last generation, so. We can implement some bluebirds.
No, we can't. We got enough already now.
Yeah, 2 is enough, yeah.
Yep. So let's have some rough. Hold up.
Okay. Okay, turn in here. Oh, I see. Yeah, if it can do this one, then.
Oh no, you ate that bad.
What, the curb?
Yeah,
No, I don't think I hit the curb, or at least
you
I didn't.
did. It's a go through. Remember, collision.
Whatever.
But you ate it. You ate it.
Whatever. I'm pretty sure you hit the little
I probably did
box
too.
thing, yeah. You killed a person standing in there. That's what you did.
They'll be okay. They'll live.
Yeah, they'll be okay, sure. Right. The curb will still be there. Person will be in the hospital.
Ah, they'll be okay.
If you say so.
Whoa, you were way off the road in that one.
Yeah, I know. Well, it was either that or run into each other, so taking one for the team now. Zaz messaged me to say that Jolene is playing on the bot up there.
Yay. You are a speeder. You speed. You know
Did I
that.
do something?
I'm going like 40 miles per hour.
Oh,
And you
hey.
still beat me.
Hey.
And you still beat me.
Okay. Back to the lot or what?
Up to you. You're in front.
Crap,
I guess it's too late now because you already passed it.
Nah, we can just do a U-turn up in here or something. Oh,
You just.
okay. Well,
Oh,
I guess we
Lord.
can't do
I
that.
guess not.
Okay. Okay. There we go. Got it. Got it. No problem.
If you would have just came in this one, you would have been okay.
Shut up. Shut up.
Come on.
Now you can go. It's all good.
Okay, I'll just be petty there.
You have the right of way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, man.
I haven't figured out where we're gonna park these things at yet.
I don't know. We need to. Zaz replied after I told him your response. He said, "You're sarcastic." He actually said he would.
Just a little bit, cause I can play it on my own whenever I choose.
I know. We're just gonna park him there.
Guess so. Right for right now.
Okay, let's see how well these things back up.
Yours is much higher than mine is. Your backup alarm is much higher than mine is.
Hold on, because I couldn't hear yours real well. Oh, you just have like the standard
Mine is
one.
slower too.
Yeah, I don't like the slow ones.
Well, the thing is, I think the one on yours though is the typical Bluebird one. I've heard that
Yeah,
on.
it is, and the one that you have is a typical ROR one, so... Actually, no, it's not. What am I thinking?
No, it's not. Yeah, I don't know what you were
I was
thinking.
just thinking of it, and I was like, no, that's not it. Never mind. But
It's very slow.
yeah,
The RR one is like weird sounding.
it is. Very weird. Cool. Well,
Absolutely.
yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. So,
Guess so.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. We already said that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you... Oh, gosh. Make sure you... Come on. Subscribe. Shut up. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, down and where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or I'm not going to do any more first looks this year. And make sure you also share this video with friends. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. And thanks for watching.